Good morning to everyone. What we discussed last class? Gram equivalent concept to discuss, law of equivalence. Please. Okay, we discussed already. This is okay. One more time I am giving. We will try. I am giving one example. You can try it. This is the equation. You can equal all in terms of gram equivalent number. Everything reactants equal to product, sir, and even reactants itself reactants equal. So GEN or gram equivalent number of H2SO4 equal to gram equivalent number of NaOH. You can equal even here gram equivalent number of Na2SO4. Everything you can equal, sir. Gn of H2 also. So everything you can equal in terms of gram equivalents. Understood? Anything you can equal, doesn't matter. Anything. Now you can try to solve one question. Just give me 1 minute. You can get some good number of questions. Hey, wait. Wait, oh, get them. Put it. Calculate, sir, one question. Okay. Very simple. If you are solving one or two examples, you make and feel, sir, this very easy. 100% you will get that point, sir. This is the only discussed last class. Right. Calculate the amount of calcium carbonate required to react with Array Harish PSP. This is doing something, sir, for J and NEET level. Huh? You can't expect within the one word what is the users of that one. You should have patience, everyone, students. Should have patience. We can't discuss even one concept within the one class. Then how can you expect within the 2 minutes what is the use of that one, sir? Wait, we'll do now everything with application oriented. Be patient. May take some concepts 2 to 3 classes. After completion of 2 to 3 classes, then only you can understand what we are doing also sometimes. How can you get within the fraction of seconds how to use this? Calculate the amount of CaCO3 required to react with 0.5 m 100 ml of HCl. And this is the question. Right question first. You understood that one. Calcium carbonate is basic character. Even that is salt also that basic character that can react with HCl. Then both are reacting each other. You will get calcium chloride and H2CO2. But how much calcium carbonate reacting with given HCl? That is the question. So how can you do this question? Okay. If anyone you are able to do, you can try. If you are not able to do, I will discuss that. Someone they given 5 grams. Yes, you can try, sir. If you are not getting 100%, I will discuss. Now we can see, sir. Harish PSP. What is the use of that when you are asking? Now you can try. Without that, you are able to do. You can try. So equation you should be able to write, sir. You have to know how to write. First, write reactants. CaCO3. They are reacting with HCl. Which is positive, which is negative, you can find out here first. So Ca is 2 plus, CO3 2 minus, H plus, Cl minus. Then opposite charges can attract each other. So Ca2 plus and Cl minus can attract each other. What you will get here? Can you write now equation? Please, anyone? Just opposite charges you have to write. I am writing equation. Is it correct or not? You can find out. Is it correct or anything wrong? Whenever you are writing, you have to apply crisscross method. You should not write directly. Is correct? So this is wrong, sir. You have to write CaCl2, H2CO3. This is the correct one. You have to apply crisscross method. When you are writing formula means you should be apply crisscross method. Understood? Yes. Generally, this H2CO3 is unstable. So instead of that, we are writing. Note down this point also. H2O plus CO2 will get. This is only one acid is highly unstable that convert into H2O plus CO2. So ultimately equation this is CaCl2 plus H2O CO2. We can equal everything in terms of equivalents. Can I write gram equivalents of Gn of CaCO3 equal to Gn of HCl? Can I write? The concept of gram equivalent number, we no need to solve balance equation. Okay, we don't want balance equation. Sometimes suppose you are not able to get 10 factors, then you can balance equation, then you can apply mole concept. So this is the basic formula I am using. Equivalents of calcium carbonate equal to equivalents of HCl. Here I am asking amount, sir. Is it correct? Amount means weight or not? Weight. In terms of weight, what is the formula of gram equivalent number? In terms of weight, what is the gram equivalent number formula? Very simple. Given weight by gram equivalent weight. Is correct? Equal to. Here they are given molarity and volume. What is the gram equivalent in terms of volume and molarity? So you have to convert molarity into normality first. You have to convert molarity into normality, because we given one more formula, normality into volume. This is liters. Clear? So you have to take. So normality and normality relation, molarity into n factor. Array, now whatever we discussed, that one, everything you have to apply. Are you getting my point? All that we learn, we are learning just rules of game. Okay, all game rules you are learning. Whenever requirement is there, you have to apply. We are learning, then you are forgetting, no use of that one. That is the reason I'm asking, I'm requesting you people, revise everyday chemistry notes half an hour early morning, other than you are studying. Then you can remember all formulas very fast, then you can apply. Understood? Array, my voice is clear or breaking something now? Is it clear? So now we can substitute. So weight by, what is the equivalent weight of CaCO3? What is the n factor? What is the equivalent weight of CaCO3? Anyone you done? Equivalent weight of CaCO3. Very good, sir. 50, correct. Weight by 100. N factor calculation. You have to take either cation charge or anion charge. I given very clearly. So either you can take cation charge Ca2 plus or CO3 2 minus. Anyone you can take. N factor is 2, sir. Equal to. What is the normalities are here? Molarity into n factor. Is it the normality? So normality equal to molarity 0.5. N factor for HCl how much? N factor 1. You'll get 0.5 only, sir. So now we can substitute normality 0.5 into volume in liters we have to take. If you want weight in grams, volume in liters. Otherwise you have to take milligrams. Clear? Volume in liters, sir. We are converting by 1000. Okay. Now calculate how much we'll get. W equal to 0.5 into, I think so this we can cancel here, 10 into 100 by 2. This 10 and point will be cancelled. Is it clear? How much will you get, sir? By 10 will be there, na here. Sorry. 10 small mistake. This 10 should be lower one, sir. Into 1 by 10. This 10 and 10 will be cancelled. This 10 and 0.5 will be cancelled. Then ultimately 5 by 2, 2.5 grams. Is it correct? How many people you got this is? Please check again. Array, this is ml. I have to convert ml into liters. ml into liters, sir. We have to convert into liters. That's why by 1000. Already we given that one GN milli, sir. If you are getting n into v liter, that is fine. If n into v ml we are taking, what we given? Milli equivalents I given. Array, everything I provide in your notes, milli equivalents. But you are not learning and you are not remembering, then I can't do anything for you. Milli equivalents. Milli means 10 power minus 3. Otherwise, you'll get answer is milligrams. Answer in milligrams will get. Check it again. What we done, please find Instead of discussing too many problems, try to understand this problem one more time. I'm explaining. Some people you may understood very well, but some people still, whatever they given, even you don't want to write equation also, just equivalence of calcium carbonate equal to equivalence of HCl. Then equivalence formula you can write. Already I given formula last class equivalence. Have you given or not equivalence? All formulas I given in terms of weight by weight, normality, molarity, so normality and volume. Please check it your notes given or not. Yeah, you can do, sir. By doing stoichiometry also you can do. But by doing stoichiometry, you have to balance every time equal. Array, that is normality formula. Only in the case of normality, you have to convert instead of liter into you have to convert ml into liters. But here different. Okay, volume how to convert into liter. Ml is there, then how to convert into liter. Rahul, can you see your notes? What I given gram equivalence formula? Array, can you send what we done last class? Paper image through WhatsApp. I can see that is. What is the last when gram equivalent formula? Can you send through WhatsApp? I can see that is what we given. Why some people are getting confusion? Array, who are getting by applying stoichiometry? Please stop that method. Okay, that is one method. This is another method. Do through this method. Even you are getting answers that stoichiometry method, please stop that is. Learn this method first. Okay. In future, we are going to be solved through this method only most of the problems. We are not going to use that method because very difficult to balance all the equations. And that is too much calculations also. Try to learn. Everyone take seriously. You have to learn. If you want to solve chemistry titration questions, you have to learn this is gram equivalent concept. If you don't want means you can leave it. Send me anyone last class what we done one paper image through WhatsApp when you can. Both methods are right, but too lengthy method, stoichiometry method. That's for most of the questions. So at least try to find how to calculate equivalent weights, that importance. Now revise one more time how to calculate n factors. That's we are going to be apply here. Again, sir. Any doubt, please check it. Fine. Correct. So now, everyone write 2 times. Suppose still some people they have confusion. I don't know where you're getting, but fine. We are learning first time. You'll get confusion. Write the gram equivalent number formula, sir. Right, 2 times. Right. What's the gram equivalent number formulas? Write on paper. Weight by gram equivalent weight or normality into volume. This should be in liters. So writing normality into ml. This is milli equivalents. Milli equivalents, sir. mgn you can write or milli equivalents you can write. mgn n into vml. One more I am giving here. Normality equal to molarity into n factor. Even gram equivalent number equal to number of moles into n factor also you can write, sir. Please note down these formulas. Again you have to write, you have to know how to calculate n factor. Again. Now I am asking some people, you have to give answers. N factor for I will ask different compounds are now. अरे KNMS Guru Prasad, KNMS 11th Guru Prasad, KNMS 11th Guru Prasad. How to calculate n factor for cations, sir? What is the n factor for cations? Give your answer through chat box. Yes, law of equivalence can satisfy 99.99% equations. Every equation you can solve. Suppose you are feel difficult to calculate n factors, then we can proceed through mole concept. Guru Prasad, how to calculate n factor for cations? What is the cations n factor? Y plus 1. Every case plus 1 only n factor. I will ask some other students. Please, you have to respond. I will make unmute otherwise. Then your answer, everyone they will listen. Simply I am asking. Then you can give through chat box. That is better. If you want, I can make unmute. Then up to you, sir. That is. KNMS 11th D Kiran. KNMS 11th D Kiran. What is the n factor of? Al2SO4 taken thrice. What is the n factor, sir? What is the n factor for this salt? Please check it. Answer. Give me answer through chat box. 3 n factor for aluminum sulfate. For aluminum sulfate, n factor how much, sir? KNMS 11th Dinesh. No, not studying, sir. You people. Huh? Are you not studying n factor calculations? Then what is the use? I am doing double work for you people. Huh? I am explaining class notes. Again, sometimes I am making some people to make videos. Then I am doing videos also. I am putting that one. But still you are not understanding means that's not good enough. I take seriously. Then how we can survive? Yes, some people they are giving fine, but some people not able to give. I'll ask again another person. Can I get? Anandaram, KVSS11. Anandaram, KVSS11. Can you give N factor for aluminum sulfate? What is the aluminum sulfate N factor, sir? Aluminum sulfate N factor. Still didn't respond. Anandaram. Wait. I will give correct answer to people. Some people are giving answers, doesn't matter. But who are asking, I'm asking those people not able to give. No, I think so. You don't respond anything. Eleventh TNPLPS. Yogesh. Okay. TNPLPS. Respond answer. What's the N factor for aluminum sulfate? Who are not responding answers mean they are sleeping, sir. I will make unmute. Then you have to give answers. Whenever I'm asking, please concentrate and give immediately. Who I asked that one? Those people is not responding. Remaining people only they are responding, sir. A given question you have to solve at that time only. You should not wait. Whenever I am asking, then you are solving right now. Then you are starting. When I wrote on question on screen, you have to start. Otherwise, you'll get personal call, sir. Then what is the use of that when we are attending classes? Only few people are responding, correct or wrong, secondary that is. I will note down your names, then I will call you back personally. Who are not responding? Who are not responding, I will call you personally next. Nothing, sir. They are not responding anything. They can give through chat box answers. No, I didn't get still proper answers. What is the N factor for Na2CO3? Blossom 11th Johnson. Blossom 11th Johnson. Respond answer. N factor. No, they are not responding, sir. Johnson. Blossom 11th Johnson. Whom I am asking except those persons, remaining everyone they are responding. Okay, then I understood that one. All people are not in active mode. Either they are sleeping or they are not attending classes properly. They are just logging, they are playing something mobile games. Then you will get personal calls, sir. Suppose you are not responding, you will get personal calls. Then you have to give proper explanation. I will talk with your parents also. Wait, I will note down your names also, sir. Here, who are not responding, I will note down your names now onwards. Then what is the use of that one I am discussing here? But suppose you are not studying at home. Wait, I will note down your name better. That is, at least we have to get something. What is the N factor of magnesium carbonate? How to calculate equivalent weight? What is the N factor? VRMS 11th Jaya Varshini. VRMS 11th standard Jaya Varshini. Respond answer. Give the answer. What is the N factor for magnesium carbonate? Jaya Varshini, VRMS 11th standard. No, not responding. Jaya Varshini also. Okay, today is the last chance. Keep in mind, tomorrow I am going to be ask you people, which is I given class notes, any formula, sir. Any formula I will ask. From my class notes, any formula and anything, n factor, anything I will ask. If you have any doubt to calculate n factors, oxidation state, and few things I explain mostly already you listened, you heard, I think you know how to calculate. Still you have doubt, I think everyone have link, that's we can see again, that's also they have videos. Then tomorrow I am going to be asked you by making unmute. Don't absent tomorrow anyone. After asking 10 to 15 minutes, then we are going to discuss again our important concepts. Refer notes and practice everything on rough paper. I will ask any one person, you have to send WhatsApp images by practicing what you done yesterday. Today date, write date and practice. See, still so many people are giving n factors mistakes. Few people they are giving correct, those only regularly they are giving correct answers. Tomorrow I will make unmute, sir. Then you have to give answer orally and your explanation also. So today practice very well, and still if you have any doubts, go and check that videos and look and come back. For aluminum sulfate, 6 is n factor. For Na2CO3, 2 is n factor. For MgCO3, 2 is the n factor. Is it clear? If you have any doubts, go and search. You will get that videos, all videos I given for you people. Okay, again I made for you people extra things. Then please look and get, then come tomorrow perfectly. But tomorrow I'm going to be asked to everyone. I will ask randomly any question I will ask, sir. First practice basic things, then try to implement. At least you have to give proper explanation. Even if you suppose you are not able to give correct answer, fine. I won't say anything. But at least you done something work. I should identify that one. That can identified by based on your explanation only. Is it clear? But some people already who seen that videos and who done that work, those are giving correct answers. Fine, that is happy that one. But I don't know most of the people You didn't get perfectly answers. I asked orally 4 people, but 4 people not given single answer, sir. This is very bad situation, you people. Not only that, four, still too many people is there. I can find very easily. Keep in mind. No, Dinesh, you given some question answers is wrong. Check it that which is you given wrong answer. Aluminium, how much each aluminium plus 3? Then how many aluminium is there? 2 into 2. Total positive charge 6. That is the n factor, na? Total positive is n factor. You can try one more question. Then tomorrow you can discuss. Without n factor, you can't solve problems. What is the n factor of H3 PO3? What's the n factor? What is the n factor of CaCl2? NaNO2, NaNO3, KClO4. I need n factors. Calculate. Please check it again. Very few minutes. Those videos again. Look and give answers tomorrow at least perfectly. Only few people they are responding, sir. Those only they are getting always. Why not remaining people? But tomorrow I am going to be asked to everyone. Clear? Fine. You can continue our class. Because of n factor only, you are not getting these concepts. If you know n factor calculation, if you know normality calculation, you won't get any doubt. Why you are not understanding some people means you didn't practice well. Just you are listening class, then you are coming next class. That's the main reason. This n factor is 2. This is 2, 1, 1, 1. These are the n factors. Who got correct answer? Check it. Here 2 n factor. Everything I mentioned class notes. Even that videos also is there. This is Ca2 plus. So n factor is 2. Here Na plus. N factor is 1. Here also Na plus 1. N factor is 1. Here K plus 1. N factor. Here 2 n factor by giving structure I given. So you should be perfect, which is I given class notes. Then only you can proceed further. If you learn half of and you practice half of means no meaningless that is. But tomorrow keep in mind very seriously. I think so. I don't know my punishment. If you want, you can ask your seniors and even including need repeaters what you given punishment, sir. Suppose you done mistakes. First time I can leave that one. Very simple, sir. But second time you done mistake. Class notes, sir. Complete class notes. You need to write 5 times. As it is, you have to copy 5 times our whole theory. 5 times you are writing class notes means you can think how many pages, how much time it will take. And third time also you are doing mistake. Your class notes you have to write 15 times, sir. Is it easy to write 15 times your class notes? Or to practice 2 to 3 papers, which is easy, sir? You can think that is. Who are neglecting people and who are not taking seriously, very soon you are going to be take, sir, all these things. So please practice our class notes perfectly. Every point you should be understand and a very few members you are sending homework, sir. So I will ask your homework. I think so. Friday you have to send date wise, sir. Friday, date wise, Monday to Friday, whatever we done. Okay. Homework date wise you have to send, that is minimum 10 to 15 questions each person. Minimum, that is plus class notes theory practice. Class notes theory followed by sums. Class notes theory followed by sums. This is we need date wise. First date one you can write. Then what we done? Class notes practice followed by sums. This is I have to see in your notes. Is it clear? I'm going to be ask you people. Friday is the last date. You have to submit Friday. So whatever gaps is there, fulfill. You can discuss one more question. Sir, you done this question? Think so. You completed this one question. You given any other question? Okay. Hey, every day we can't give our number. Already I given that numbers. First make everything with you. I will ask you that one. Who are not sent till now single time also. Those people you have to send under 100%. Some people they send, but I will ask randomly those people. I don't want any reason, sir. I don't want any reason. I will ask randomly 20 people. That 20 people you have to send. I will ask one day everything starting to ending you have to send. That's also I'm going to be ask you. So be ready that one. Sir, ask only few people. I don't want study. I don't want write. Don't think that one. Or I have too much patience. Don't worry. I will check everyone homework. I told you very clearly starting onwards, your chemistry is my responsible. If you want to learn chemistry means you have to do all these things. If you want to escape, then I can't do anything for you. At least I can help who are interesting people. Anyway, you can't escape from me, 99%. I think so. You remember what's the homework for tomorrow? N factor calculation. And I will ask any students sir tomorrow. You have to give properly. First step N factor calculations and oxidation number calculation. Both you have to know that one. Clear? And if you are not giving answers tomorrow, whenever I'm asking, then you have to keep in mind N factor alone, all formulas you have to write 10 times, sir, with examples. Not only formula, with examples, 10 times. That is a punishment, sir. You have to write 10 times, then you have to send that one. Tomorrow I'm going to be ask you this one 10 times. But based on your answers, that number going to be changed. If you didn't given proper explanation, then you will get 20 to 30 times also. N factor. If you are giving proper answers, you may get less than 10 times also. But punishment won't be changed. That is fixed. Okay. Please, we can solve one more question. Right, sir. Array, here you don't want to think about anything, sir. That see, I'm trying to make easy for you people. Try to understand. Siding wise, that is board exam pattern. That is each sidings are discussed that one by one, 10 sums, 20 sums. If requirement is there, I can do. You don't worry that one. If no need means you can follow me only. Right question. What volume of what volume of 0.15 molar HCl is required neutralize 20, sorry 25. Let's take challenge. Who can do this question based on GN formula only? Take it. Who done that one? 25 ml of 0.120 m barium hydroxide. Right. Who can do answer? Anyone done? Sahana. Okay, good. Remaining people. Anirudh, V. Very good, sir. Still now we got only 2 answers, sir, correctly. First write formula, then only can substitute. Don't do directly. If you are doing directly, you won't get answers. Yes, some other students also they given array Ajini or something. My pronunciation different. Don't misunderstand me. Huh? Your answer also correct, sir. See, array whatever they given, only simple one formula given. Here HCl they given reacting with BOH twice. Doesn't matter whatever they given, right? Gn of HCl equal to Gn of barium hydroxide. This is the only formula. Whatever they given, you don't want to consider. Here, Gn means both they given, sir. They're asking concentration they given and volume they're asking. So that should be normality into volume is the formula. This also molarity and volume means this should be normality into volume only formula because they are not giving any weight. Then fine. N factor how much, sir? HCl 1 N factor. So 0.15 into 1 N factor. But volume I don't know V because they're asking volume only. If ml means you can keep ml, sir. Next, barium hydroxide. What is the concentration? 0.120. What is the N factor for barium hydroxide? 2 into volume how much they given? 25 ml. So ml will be cancelled. Then no need to convert liters anything, sir. Then you don't want convert anything liters. ml will be cancelled. Now calculate what's the answer we are getting. How much V we are getting? V equal to 0.120 into 2 into 25 by 0.15. Right, both are ml they given, then not liters this is. Ml only can get answer. Both they given ml, so you can get ml only. Any doubt here first? What is the difficult here first? Let me know that one. Is it any difficult? Array 30, how did you got that is 30? All people are giving 40 answer, but you are getting 30. Something means wrong, na? Something went. Check it. Array, this is the use of equivalence. You don't want write equation. You don't want to write equation. Just think. If you are writing equation, then you are doing means it will take more than 2 to 3 minutes. Our target is you have to write within the 1 minute of problem. So equation I am giving anyway. There should be no equation, sir. Barium hydroxide, HCl. Now what will get? Which is positive, which is negative? Who asked that equation? Please respond that one. Which is positive, which is negative, then how to balance? Right? Equation. Already I told you, you have to write by balancing only. Sorry, twice this is. Sorry, this is twice. BA is twice now. So go back crisscross. Very simple. Go back crisscross. 2 for barium, 1 for hydroxide. Here anyway, +1, -1. So you will get here barium 2 plus, OH minus. Is it clear? So BaOH twice plus HCl gives rise BaCl2. Already I given oxidation number also completed for you. Why you are not able to do? Why you are not learning periodic table? I told you na. I will ask that is one day periodic table you have to write without seeing. Where in which group and what is the oxidation state? 2H2O. This is the balancing equation. I told you how to learn periodic table completely, but I think so you are neglecting that is. I think so you are ready to write periodic table 100 times. Huh? Very soon you will get your homework, sir. Very soon you will get. You are going to write periodic table 100 times. Instead of that, before that, learning that one proper, learn that one. Very soon you are going to write if you are not giving answers properly. Yes, second group +2 oxidation state, then you should not get any problem. Okay. Second group means +2 only, no oxidation state. I given already. Is it any doubt? Shall we do one more question? I think so. Class is almost done. Huh? Fine. Array, how many people understood, sir? This is. Array, both are ml. Convert liter 1000 no problem. Someone they're asking why you didn't convert into liter, sir. Fine, sir. If you want convert, yes, we can convert. This is volume into by 1000. You have to do always. This is also volume by 1000. Then 1000 will be cancelled, na? What is the need of that when you are converting into liters? Or if same units means you don't want convert, they can cancel each other. If you want to convert, you can do that. It's nothing is wrong. Array, now slowly we are entering some problems, but these are easy method. Instead of molarity, you have to do molarity is different method. That is, you have to write equation and so many things you have to follow. But here you don't want to do anything. If you know how to do n factor, then very easy, sir. Any question, any difficult question. Maybe in your schools, your teacher maybe struggle how to do these questions, but you never struggle, sir. Once you understood this process, you never. Even you can do very fast also. Others can take too much time, but you won't take time, sir. Alright, I told you very clearly. Please practice all these things. In fact, tomorrow I am going to be ask you if you are not giving proper answers. I think so, no punishment. That number may be variable, sir. 10 to more than up to that is 20 to 30 also first time. But second time you can't expect there is more number of times. I will make tomorrow unmute that particular person. You have to give your explanation. If you are not getting still properly, because of for you only, I made some videos also. If you want, you can see. Otherwise, if you learn everything, very good. Okay. Whatever you want, you can do. But tomorrow, I need answers, sir. Is it clear? And I think you are writing date-wise homework. Date-wise, I will ask very soon. The date-wise, your homework should be date and followed by first class theory. You have to practice, sir. Class notes theory means whatever you discuss in class, that's only how to practice. Write on paper, rough paper. By learning without seeing, you can write. After that, you can solve problems. After that, you can write problems here. 1, 2, you can solve that is. This is the way pattern you have to do. Okay. Same thing, sir. I will ask any question n factors. Oxidation number n factor I will ask. Array someone Kavi Priya they are asking. Array if time is over, remaining people can leave, sir. Array temperature volume relation they are asking, sir. This is the liquid. Kavi Priya, I think your doubt or remaining people, if you have doubt, you can see how temperature and volume relation by increasing temperature, how concentration is changing. That is a question they are asking, sir. But that is a question one student they are asking. If you want, you can leave. Okay. Now class is over. Things are class are done. That one I dissolve that one 0.5 moles of NaCl. This volume is 50 ml. Assume that one. This is 50 ml. 0.5 moles of NaCl. We dissolve that one. By heating this vessel, what happens, sir? Water can evaporate. Is it correct? After heating long time, previously 50 ml, now that may become 10 ml, sir. 10 ml. Is it correct? So water can evaporate, sir, here by heating means. Then salt is present is more amount here that may be in solid also, because that water is eliminated. Then more concentration is or more thick this is. Then concentration increases or not. We have to see vessel containing water, not outgoing water. Because salt is present in the vessel. Salt is never evaporate easily. So when water evaporating means water decreasing, then concentration increases. Concentration increases. Kavi Priya, please ask your doubt again. I think so. Previously, which you are thinking and not matching this, is it correct right now? Volume of water, correct. Which is previously 50 ml is a that is the volume of water. Now water evaporating, volume decreases or not? We should not think here molecule attractions. Understood? If you want to think molecule attraction, that is not related to concentration method. I think so. Starting class I given solids all the occupying like this arranges. Okay, the compact structure more number of molecules arranges very small space, but liquids little bit far away. Is correct? Liquids little bit far away. They have space. Gas molecules far away. Gases have highest space, so it have more volume. But liquids have little bit more volume. Solids still less volume. Which is more volume now? Gases. Next liquid. Only at 4 degrees only different water and ice. That is also not every case of that is. Which we are explaining that is volume, ice and water only applicable. Suppose I am taking iron, solid and liquid iron. That is not valid. Then copper solid state and copper liquid state, which we are expecting explanations, is not valid. Any other? Yes, Sivita, you can do both methods, but high priority for equivalent method. Okay. Please take break. Okay. I have another class. Huh? That's why. Come tomorrow by learning n factors. Clear? Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Hello. Hello. Yes. Hello. My name is Karthik. Hello. Yes, yes, I'm getting your voice. Yes, yes, I'm getting your voice. The channel name is Sriyar Sir Chemistry. Sriyar